Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of my very first big brake kit. These are the boxes that was sent to me by Paragon. Whoa, this is big. Got the 355mm. Yeah. Go. So nice. Okay, so what do we have here? So every kit that you order comes with this brake lines, stainless steel brake lines. This one is created or manufactured by Goodrich. They also give you titanium shims as well as temp gauges for the caliper. We got the caliper bolt hardware. Let's check them out. These are the brackets where the caliper will sit. It's going to be interesting to install. So that's it for the rotor. Whoa, so nice and shiny. I mean, I've seen videos of this in YouTube, but seeing one in person is really something else. So you see you got 6 pistons, 3 on each side. Okay, so what's this one? Pad retainer tube, track use only. They did say, so what happens is that you see this tube right here and the clips right there. So what you will need to do on track days is to remove the entire thing, and then you'll have 2 tubes right here only. So you place them with the tubes. And this particular setup right now is for street use, and this too will be for track use. So that's something different. I think these are the pads set. Yeah. So I opted for P3 at the moment for street use, and I have another order coming in for an R5. So my setup will be a P3, an R5 for the front, so I'll be replacing this, and then I will be using a P3 on the rear. On the OEM brakes that I had, I was running on R16, G-Lock R16 on the front and G-Lock R8. So I was talking with Paragon and they said, yeah, should be good to have P3 in the rear and R5 in the front. These are really big. I will be doing an install video next for these. And what I'll do is I'll also weigh the calipers as well as the rotors to see the difference between the OEM one and this one's. I'm hoping to have some weight savings as well as better, track performance out of these new calipers. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. If you have questions on these products, please do let me know as well, and I will see you on the next video.